Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on media, tech, and business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Certificate of Good Conduct on eCitizen portal. Let's get started. So to get started, log into your eCitizen portal, then scroll down to the Directorate of Criminal Investigations. As you can see here, click on it. You'll be taken to this new page here where you are required to log in again. So click on login with eCitizen, and now I have to choose which account to log in with. I'll log in with my personal account, then I can proceed now. This is how it looks like. The application page looks like this: Department of Criminal Investigation. Then you can click on Police Clearance Certificate on eCitizen here. So when you click on Police Clearance, you'll choose here your application, your child application under 18, or your application. So this is my application. Then click on Next, and then on the new screen here, you will be given instructions on what you are expected by the Directorate of Criminal Investigation. So here it says this is an application form for persons over 18 years only. You can only apply for police clearance certificate or good conduct and pay it online. You can pay using mobile money, credit, and debit cards. So the steps of applications is: read the instructions carefully, then fill the application form, select the model of payment, then for the police clearance, download and print 2 copies of your invoice and 1 copy of C24 on both sides of an A4 paper. So the C24 is what you will present at DCI headquarters. Present the C24 and invoices with an original national ID for adults and original birth certificate for minors to the Directorate of Criminal Investigations Department headquarters for fingerprint processing. During the submission, you need the following: download 2 copies of the invoice and 1 copy of C24 printed on both sides of C24. Applicant in person. You should present yourself in person. And thirdly, original ID card and its photocopy or birth certificate and its copy for those under 18 years. Then the last instructions is that you must allow your fingerprints and palm prints to be recorded on a prescribed fingerprint form C24. So once done, pay for this amount of money, then go to the DCI headquarters to present the forms as instructed here. So the cost for applications for police clearance certificate or certificate of good conduct is 1,050 shillings. So once you've made the payment, go to the DCI headquarters as instructed here. Go to the headquarters for fingerprint processing. Once you've done that, I don't know how long this will take for the certificate to come out, but I've heard people complain saying it takes more than a month, it has taken more than 3 months. I don't know how long that takes, but this is how to apply online. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below here. If you need any help with production of video tutorials, let me know, or visit our website on www.techtubstudio.com. Also take time to visit my website on cheptionyi.com to learn more about me, and if you have any concern, you can write me an email there. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai. Follow me on X at Cheption. Bye bye.